So we will see the next example. So the example which we saw before was taken from the exam GIC AO 2013, and this question is taken from the exam United Bank of India PO exam 2010. So the question is, what will be the approximate difference in the simple and compound interest acquired on a sum of rupees 2,600 at the rate of 15% per annum at the end of 3 years. So here difference between compound interest and simple interest is asked for 3 years, and the sum deposited is 2,600 and 8% is also given, so 15%. So we have here formula to find compound interest for 2 years, 3 years and 4. So here difference between CISA for 3 years is asked. So we will take difference, we will take compound interest for 3 years, 3I1 so plus 3I2 plus I3. So when difference is asked, so in simple interest we will have this 3I1 also. So difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years is 3I2 plus I3. So if you find I2, then multiplying it with 3 and find I3 and add, you get the difference between CI and SI for 3 years. So to find the difference, we need I2. So to find I2, we need to find I1 also. So what is I1? So the given sum is 2,600 and the rate is 15%. So calculating 15% of 2,600, it is 390. So 5% more than this. So 10% we find 260 and then 5% 130. So added it is 390. And we will find what is I2. That is for this 390, 15%. So how you will calculate 15%? So find 10% of 390, so which is 39. So 5% of 390. So 10% of 390 is 39. So 5% of 390 is 19.5. So adding this 58.5 and we will take it as 58. So approximate values are, so we can leave this 0.5. So I2 will take as 58. So now I3, that is 15% of 58. And what is 15% of 58? So 10% of 58 is 5.8 and 5% will be the half of this, 2.9. So when you add it is 7 and this is 8. So we get as 8.7 and you can take this as 9 approximately. So there we left 0.5. So here we will take 0.3 more, 9. So now what will be the difference between compound interest and simple interest? So 3I2 plus I3. So we have found I2 as 58. So multiply 3 into 58 plus I3 9. So 3 into 58 is 174 plus 9. So we get 183. So we have found the approximate value. So difference between CISI is 183 and we can choose the option E, which is very nearing to that, 184. So difference between CISA for 3 years for the given sum 2,600 and 15% is 184. Now we will see the next concept.